It was a very pretty afternoon for much of the region. We saw sunshine after morning clouds, that sunshine breaking out. This evening, we've got a mostly clear sky, but those clouds are moving back into Fargo. We look at our current conditions, 29 degrees currently, a light north wind at 5 miles per hour, wind chill right about 24. Moorhead, we've got a temperature of 28. Current conditions in Grand Forks, 28 degrees, wind is calm, so again, no wind chill. It feels like 28 degrees out there. Here's what we've got. We look at our November averages first for Fargo. Average high 46. That's today. The average low 28. About mid-month, we go November 15th, average high of 38, average low of 21. And by the end of the month, you know it's getting cold. 31 the average high, 14 degrees the average low. So we take a nice little drop off from the beginning to the end of this month in terms of our temperatures. How about Grand Forks? We start with averages of 43 and 27. By mid-month, 35 and 20. And at the end of the month, 30th, average high 27, which, by the way, the average low for today, average low temperature of 12. Now, as far as snowfall, Fargo gets close to 8 inches over the course of the month. Grand Forks closer to 6 inches. In terms of our temperatures, generally mid to upper 20s across the region right now. Jamestown coming in at 30, so the warm spot within the region on the map here at least. We look at our satellite radar, and again, you can see some of those clouds spreading back into the area. We had them early today, then we saw the breaks of the sunshine, now the clouds moving back in. And that's what we're going to see for most of the overnight hours. Take a look at a couple of your photos. Love this. Swans on Detroit Lake City Beach by Kevin Maynard. Love this photo. One more for you. This coming in from Barb Wyman. Phoenix rising. You can kind of see it right there with looks like wings spreading up in the sky. Take a look at our hour-by-hour forecast again. Clouds increasing overnight. Then we're going to see a little patchy fog. These areas you see, they're kind of that darker shade, indicating where we have that potential for dense fog. And what's interesting is as we head into the morning hours, those clouds persist. But look what happens as we head into the afternoon. That fog's spreading. So tomorrow afternoon, we're going to see some dense fog off to the west. Meanwhile, we're also going to see clearing for areas east. So I think a good portion of the area is going to get sunshine tomorrow. We'll see temperatures generally in the mid to upper 30s. 38 Fargo, 37 Wahpeton tomorrow. How about 46 in Sisseton? We've got 36 Valley City, and you can see Minnesota, Detroit Lakes, Fergus Falls in the mid-30s, low 30s for Three River Falls and for Roseau. 11-day planner shaping up like this. We're going to hang in the upper 30s Thursday, Friday as well, under a mostly cloudy sky. For the weekend, a little warmer. Got 43 and 40. Now Saturday, mostly cloudy. A dry day. Maybe overnight we'll see a few showers. And then on Sunday, better opportunities area-wide for rain. Maybe a mix in there. And I say maybe, I think what's going to happen is the temperatures are warm enough. We could see a little snow mix in there, especially as you head farther north. Still a high of 40 beats what we've seen recently. Then we've got 37, 35, 36 for the first half of next week. And again, a reminder, set the clocks back this weekend. I know most clocks, 99% now,
these
reset
days
themselves. But, you know, if you just remember that the clock's going to set.
It's an extra hour of sleep this weekend.
Exactly.
If the kids will let you sleep.
There you go.
Yeah, no comment.
Still to come. A bizarre incident leaves a Fargo man with damaged property and questions of where to turn next. We'll explain after the break.